Whether you're going on a beach vacation or just lounging by the pool, a good beach towel is essential. So we've rounded up the best beach towels for your next travel. Number 1. Rainleaf Microfiber Beach Towel. Number 2. Wet Cat Turkish Beach Towel. Number 3. Euphoria Microfiber Travel Towel. Number 4. Wise Owl Outfitters Beach Towel. Number 5. For Monster Travel Towel. When choosing a travel beach towel, consider what you value most in a towel and make your choice based on that. We hope our reviews of the best beach towels for travel helped you make a decision. Read the full review on our website at vacationcountdownapp.com.